इस चैनल पर दिखाए गए किसी भी प्रकार की खरीदारी करने से पहले कृपया विक्रेता से एक बार स्वयं मिलें, अन्यथा उससे हुई किसी तरह की असुविधा के लिए आप खुद जिम्मेदार होंगे।
हाय वेलकम टू एफएसएम एंटरटेनमेंट। मैं हूँ कांदिवली वेस्ट में इन मुंबई विद रेहान शेख। अस्सलाम वालेकुम रेहान भाई।
वालेकुम अस्सलाम।
रेहान भाई, you are in charge of the modular kitchen section. Can you tell us about this outlet?
So basically we do modular kitchens in this Mumbai area.
Okay.
And we also deal in pan India, but we only deliver the material there.
So there's no assembling done.
No assembling out of Mumbai, out of Maharashtra.
Okay.
But in Mumbai we do the assembling work and everything.
Okay.
Yes.
Take us through what modular kitchen is all about. हम सुनते हैं इसके बारे में. How different it is from a regular kitchen?
So basically when you do a carpentry kitchen, we give the job to the carpenter. But in modular kitchen you will get a good design inside in it, and the alignment work is the main important part of the kitchen, which shows the aesthetics of the design, etc.
Right.
Which you will be able to see in the modular kitchen, and
And
not
this-
in the carpentry kitchen. But
Okay, I understand a modular kitchen is also famous because this is something which you can dismantle, and then if you're moving to a new location, it's also convenient for you to reassemble it. Is that
exactly, that's exactly. So modular kitchen, it gets ready in the factory.
correct? Okay.
So everything is done in the CNC machines,
Right.
totally CNC Italian machines. So everything, the hot pressing. What we see in the carpentry work is when we just take the Sunmica on the ply,
Right.
they take 2 to 3 days for it. But in the modular kitchen, what they do, they just take the ply, they give it a hot press. There's a huge machine for it, hydraulic machine, huge press. They press it, they make the kitchen for that. And the Sunmica, they press the Sunmica, and accordingly then it is called hot press Sunmica.
Okay. So is this more durable and long lasting compared to a regular kitchen?
Yes, it is durable. We say approximate 10 to 15 years. You don't have to see the
Acha.
life of your kitchen. Nowadays people are thinking of making the kitchen for 5 to 10 years.
Right.
We give the warranty for 5 years, and then the kitchen will go around 10 to 15 years. There's more, I think, for this modern era.
Fantastic. Acha, tell us about the shop. How does somebody reach here? Are you there online as well?
So we are on Google. If they search on Google Himalaya Traders in Kandivli, they can find our address,
What days
the
are you
exact
open?
location. We are open 7 days in a week.
And what are the timings?
Timings are 11 to 8, and on Sundays we are open till 11, from 10 to 4.
10 to 4. Okay.
Yes.
शुरुआत कहाँ से करते हैं आप रेहान भाई, या कहाँ से हम ये वाला सेक्शन बताएं? ठीक है, take us through it.
Okay. So basically you see this kitchen, this is a Sunmica kitchen,
Okay.
modular Sunmica kitchen what we have here, and this is totally made from machines.
अच्छा.
Yes, this can be dismantled and this can be fitted in your house as well.
Okay, but
Yes.
depending upon how if my kitchen size matches the one that you have here, it can always be customized, right?
It can always be customized.
Okay.
So how it is, we take the measurements first of your house.
Right.
So first we come to your house, we take the measurements of the kitchen, and if it is raw, then we design it first.
Alright.
We design it, we make the best design, we make the best design for you,
Okay.
and then when you finalize the design, we start the work at the factory.
All right.
Yes.
So take us through the different sections that we have.
Yeah, sure. So first we'll start from the sink area.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the sink area. So basically when you see the sink area has a dustbin, a sink, but if you see this sink, this is totally different sink what you see here.
Right.
Basically, what you see is a normal round
Right,
glass
it's quite different.
It's
yeah.
quite different,
What
yes.
is the advantage of this?
The advantage is the depth of the sink is huge. If you see the depth, it is 10 inches,
Okay.
and it comes in sizes like 21 inches, 24 inches,
Mhm.
approximate.
And one below.
Yeah. So this is the door for the dustbin area.
Okay.
You see, this is the dustbin
And the
area.
dustbin thing is attached.
So this
to
is
the
it.
door.
It is attached to the door, so that when you pull out, you can throw the wastage in the dustbin easily.
Okay.
This doors are all the doors you see is soft closing. So when we push it out, pull it back, it goes slowly.
Oh, no third.
Third, no,
Like
yeah,
delicate
exactly. Delicate, yes, you just have to use it like your baby.
Not too noisy.
Yes, not too noisy, exactly.
Yeah, then we'll move on to the
Okay,
next
then
section.
we move on to the next one. This is a normal cabinet where you will have normal shelves and all. Okay, and this is the masala rack.
Now considering हमारे घर पे भी ऐसी है similar.
Okay.
This is where my mom keeps मसाला और नीचे अचार की bottles वगैरह होते हैं,
Exactly,
वो सब
exactly.
रखते
This
हैं.
is the same thing what you say.
However, one problem that we face at home, ये क्या है, अभी तो बंद हो रहा है.
Okay.
लेकिन कुछ समय क्या होता है रेहान भाई, कुछ सालों बाद शायद वजन की वजह से ये ऑटोमेटिकली ना बाहर आने लग जाते हैं.
Okay.
तो ये प्रॉब्लम बहुत आती है.
Okay.
So what is the solution to that?
So solution is basically all the telescopic channel. When you see this is the basket. This is a normal stainless steel 304 chrome basket, and this is the channel, the most important part of it.
Right.
Okay, when you see this channel, it comes in capacity 35 kg, you say 45 kg. So we design it accordingly. Like for example, if you're thinking of if you're putting some heavy duty things inside the drawers, so we will ask you about that. We will take your requirements, and accordingly, if you're telling that यहाँ पे हम लोग we keep the heavy things, so we suggest you to go for 45 kg telescopic channels.
So the
So what?
entire this section can lift about 45 kg तक के ही हो सकता है. उससे
Yes,
ऊपर चला
उससे
गया तो
ऊपर
bend
चला
हो
गया,
जाता है.
then I suggest कि you should go for tandem drawers. So that is something different.
Okay.
I'll show it to
So
you.
what are these drawers called?
These are called normal telescopic channel drawers.
Telescopic channel drawers.
Yes, telescopic drawers, stainless steel drawers. These are masala pullouts. So we also give a slight slope to it backwards,
Okay.
so that it does not comes out.
Okay.
I think for masala, if you put
Unlike the
masala,
other door, this is not automatically.
this is not there's a reason behind it.
Why?
The telescopic channel also comes in the soft closing, but as per our experience, what we have faced, our customer has faced, that they think the telescopic channel, the soft closing telescopic channel is used, that comes out, that does not go till the end. So we suggest you should go for smooth drawers if you are going for SS stainless steel baskets.
सोचने समझने में, टाइम निकालने में क्या निकालना है, तो आप खुला ही रख सकते
Exactly,
हो.
हाँ.
तो आपके सोचने तक कि वो बंद हो जाएगा.
Exactly.
फिर दोबारा मेहनत करिए.
दोबारा आपको मेहनत करके खोलना है. So the smooth closing telescopic channels go ahead if you compare it with the soft closing telescopic channel. Okay, more durable than the soft closing channel. So we suggest for SS basket you should go for a normal telescopic channel. Now we come to the yes. This is the cooktop area. So mostly near the cooktop you need plates,
Right.
you need saucers, you need cutlery, the spoon rack.
Correct.
So this is the stainless steel spoon rack what we have here.
So this is nice.
Yes.
This is quite different from the ones that we have at home. This
Yes.
is very good.
So this is basically this cutlery tray is called perforated cutlery tray.
Perforated.
Yeah.
What do you
Why
mean by
it is called perforated?
आप, थोड़ा
Let me
हिंदी
tell
में
you.
समझाइए हमें.
जी, परफोरेटेड जो है, परफोरेटेड ये नॉर्मल वो है, ये जो पतरा होता है,
जी.
ये जो इसमें होल्स हैं, जब पतरे पे होल करते दे कॉल इट परफोरेटेड.
Alright.
सो दिस इज परफोरेटेड बास्केट.
And what is the advantage of this?
द एडवांटेजेस के जो पहले नॉर्मल बास्केट्स आती थी, लेट मी गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. लेट मी ओपन दिस. पहले ऐसे आते थे कटलरी ट्रे.
Okay.
इसमें ही ऐसे सेक्शंस बने हुए होते थे. साइज़ डिपेंड करता है आपके बास्केट का साइज़ क्या है. सो वो उसमें जब आप स्पून्स रखते थे तो ये बाहर निकल
नहीं, तो
जाते थे।
इसमें फिर एक और बास्केट बनाना पड़ेगा ना फूड रखने के लिए।
फिर
ऐसे
आपको
तो
उसके अंदर क्या करते हैं, आप
छोटा
लोग
सा-
अलग से पीवीसी बास्केट रखते हैं,
Correct,
या
correct.
आप लोग उसके ऊपर अलग से रबर मैट रखते हैं। बट ये जो परफोरेटेड शीट लगाने से ये होता है कि आपको कोई चीज़ रखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है इसमें।
Correct, correct. तो ये
आपको
advantage है।
ये एडवांटेज है, ये आपको परफोरेटेड बास्केट में मिल जाता है। और ये नॉर्मल, ये भी स्मूथ क्लोजिंग है, टेलीस्कोपिक चैनल पे है। आई सजेस्ट कि इसमें 35 kg का वेट बहुत हो जाता है, बिकॉज स्पून्स के वेट ज़्यादा नहीं होते हैं, इतने नहीं होते हैं। एंड देन वी कम टू द सेकेंड प्रोडक्ट, क्लोज दिस। So this is the cup and saucer rack, what you see. So यहाँ पे क्वार्टर प्लेट्स है, आपके सॉसर्स है, यू कैन कीप दैट। एंड यहाँ पे आपके बॉल्स है, आपके कप्स है, ग्लासेस ऑल्सो, जो आपके स्टील ग्लास होते हैं वो भी आप रख सकते हैं, इसमें आ जाते हैं।
Okay. But is it sufficient this space?
यस,
कितने आ जाएंगे?
ये इसमें आपके 24 कप्स आ जाएंगे
24 cups आ
approximately। जी बिल्कुल। एंड देन यू मूव टू द लास्ट ड्रॉवर ऑफ दिस सेक्शन। दिस इज़ कॉल्ड थाली रैक, प्लेट्स के लिए। बट एज यू से थाली जो है 12 इंच से ऊपर होती नहीं है, मैक्सिमम होगी तो 14-13 इंच, 14 इंच होगी, राइट। सो हम लोग ये जैसे 2 फीट का एक स्टैंडर्ड ड्रॉवर है, सो हमने उसमें बीच में एक पार्टीशन डाला है। सो यहाँ पे भी कुछ छोटी चीज़ें हैं, कस्टमर्स रख सकते हैं यहाँ पे, और ये आपका थाली सेक्शन हो जाता है। सो इट इज़ डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 पार्ट्स। ऑल्सो मोस्टली बॉटल्स होती है, जो बॉटल्स आपकी इस मसाला पुल आउट में नहीं आ पाती है। सो हमने जो है उस मसाला पुल आउट, ये बॉटल्स आप इसमें भी रख सकते हैं। अगेन ये थाली रैक है और थोड़ा बड़ा ड्रॉवर है, सो वी सजेस्ट यू शुड गो फॉर
Height भी काफी
45।
है इसमें।
हाइट भी काफ़ी है, सो आई सजेस्ट 45 kg वेट में जाएंगे तो बहुत अच्छा है
Okay.
यूजेज में। एंड दिस इज स्मूथ क्लोजिंग अगैन। So this is again masala pulao, you see, as per the design what we made here. So we
हम
made 2
अभी
masala pulao.
हमारे घर पे रखते हैं, वो आटों का डब्बा होता है ग्रेन्स के लिए जो होता है, वो सेक्शन बाद में लास्ट में आएगा।
जी,
आपने
वो
कहा
last
एक
में
और
आएगा।
इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है कि उसको राइट में रखना चाहिए।
उसको राइट में और नियर टू द एंट्रेंस रखना चाहिए।
What is the reason behind it?
कि जो ये सब डब्बे होते हैं ये हैवी होते हैं।
जी।
आप अगर यही चीज़, दिस इज़ योर एंट्रेंस
हाँ।
एंड वी कीप द आटे का डब्बा देयर, सो ऑब्वियसली द कैपेसिटी, वो वेट उसको पूरा कैरी करके उन्हें यहाँ पर लेकर जाना है। सो आई सजेस्ट कि जो आपका आटे का डब्बा है वो आपको यहाँ पे रखना चाहिए, ये सेक्शन में। इट्स ईजी टू कीप इट, एग्जैक्टली।
Can you show us?
So this is the section. We have samples here.
He likes to read a lot in the kitchen.
Yes.
ठीक है?
Okay. So this section is actually for your farsan, the snacks, etc.
Okay. Now this
Yeah.
is what we
Yes.
don't have. हम ऊपर रखते हैं। ये
ऊपर
सारी
रखे
चीजें।
हैं। So basically this is called a pantry unit.
Okay.
So pantry unit जो पहले आता था वो 6 layers का आता था. For that we have to make tall units. Tall units बनाने होते थे.
Right.
वो बजट में भी हाई होता था और not everybody can afford it.
But
So,
is
अब
it utilizing the space appropriately? अब ये बंद होगा।
Yes.
Do you think the space is being properly utilized? क्या अभी भी कुछ जगह खाली रह जाती है बंद करने के बाद?
इसमें जो है आपका 80% जगह यूज़ हो जाता है।
Okay.
लेट मी टेल यू, शेल्फ से अगर आप कंपेयर करोगे तो शेल्फ तो ऑब्वियसली ज़्यादा ही जगह देता है, लेकिन ये जो है फिर भी 80% इसमें सिस्टमैटिकली आप चीज़ें रख सकते हैं। जैसे कुछ होते हैं, जैसे आप शहद है आपका और नटेला अगर आप लोग रखते हैं, स्नैक्स है, आप लोग उसको हर चीज़ मिक्स अप करके फ्रिज में रखना या बाहर रखना पसंद नहीं करते। सो आपके लिए ये पेंट्री यूनिट, आई वुड सजेस्ट कि यू शुड गो फॉर द पेंट्री यूनिट, सो you can keep stuff there.
This is interesting.
Yes.
Thank you so much. We'll move on.
Okay, so this is the upper unit if you see. So mostly what upper unit is used
हमारा
for?
एक और सेक्शन है जहाँ पर हम लाइटर वगैरह रखते हैं और वो जो टंगाने को होता है, जो तेल गरम करते हैं ना,
Okay,
तो वो रखने का भी सेक्शन है, which I find it missing here.
जैसे आप कपड़ा की नैपकिन्स की बात करें, आप
Napkins
नैपकिन्स
की बात
लटकाते
करते
हैं,
हैं।
आप लाइटर लटकाते हैं,
right.
एंड देन आप जो डेली यूसेज के जैसे आपके कैनिस्टर्स है, जैसे शुगर, टी, ऑयल एंड द सॉल्ट,
Right.
जो आपको जो यूजेज के लिए चाहिए। सो दिस वॉल हैंगिंग विल बी बेस्ट फॉर यू ऐसे।
Okay.
This is the wall hanging you see. यहाँ पे you can keep your sugar, salt and pepper, etc. जो डेली यूसेज के लिए जो अर्जेंट बेसिस पे जो यूजेस होते हैं वो आप रख सकते हैं. दिस विल बी अ नाइफ होल्डर, द नैपकिन होल्डर. यू कैन कीप योर लाइटर हियर इफ यू वांट, बट वी सजेस्ट यू शुड कीप योर लाइटर इन द cutlery tray.
I think for women it is very important. Lighter is one thing which is the most commonly used stuff. फट से निकालो और कर लो.
बराबर. So, this is why what we do, we design it, and what we suggest कि जो cutlery tray है वो आपके cooking area में ही हो, so that this is the cooking area. You just open this, you take out, you pull it out, you start the work.
ठीक है.
Okay. So this is the upper unit part, wall unit part.
Okay. What customization do you think can be made?
Beside the sun mica, the outer part can be made in acrylic,
Okay.
glass, PU. If you want, I can show you the samples as well. So
Do we have?
yes. So first of all, we will go with the acrylic thing. This is acrylic. You see, this is acrylic. This is called back painted acrylic. This is back painted acrylic, and you see there's a 2 mm acrylic where we back paint it. We stick it on marine ply, and then it is done it is buffed, and then the red shutter is ready.
Okay.
So you see the finishing, you see the sides of it, you will surely like it. The glossiness, the reflection of the light, if you see.
Beautiful.
Yes. So this is acrylic.
Which is the most popular one?
Popular one is acrylic.
This one. And which
Yes.
color is the most popular?
Acrylic. Most popular color is the silver one, what you see here in my kitchen.
Okay. We'll cover in the next video.
No problem.
Okay, for other
So this is silver.
ठीक है. Regarding the
Yes.
pricing, अभी इसका size आप बता दोगे तकरीबन कितना है ये?
Yes. So this is 11 feet kitchen. Mostly our Indian kitchen does not have a huge size. Mostly,
Right.
We have 8 feet size, we have 10 feet size, but not more than 10 feet.
Correct.
So what we do, they have parallel kitchens. They have L-shaped kitchens. We can design L-shape, we can design parallel. If they have a huge square kitchen, we can go for a U-shaped kitchen.
जनरली हमारे मुंबई के अपार्टमेंट्स में तो ऐसे ही होता है.
ऐसे ही होता है मोस्टली. Yes,
mostly.
mostly.
बड़े ही नहीं होते.
Exactly, you're right, you're right.
So once again, if anybody is interested, get in touch with them. Do we have more models that probably कुछ pictures जो है आप share कर सकते हो? जो
Absolutely,
हमारी
yes.
audience को
Sure,
हम बता
sure.
दें.
Yes.
ठीक है. If somebody orders this, how many days does it take
If-
for you guys to go there and assemble in Bombay itself?
In Bombay itself, after we take the final measurements, so that there's a procedure for the modular kitchen. If you see, first we take a normal measurements for the designing. We design it. After the deal is finalized, we see if the civil work is not done. We guide. If you have your civil guy, we guide your civil guy.
Alright.
If you want our civil person to do the work, our civil person will do the work first. They'll make the platform. They will do the tiling and the flooring work.
Okay.
POP work will be done. Electric work will be done.
Right.
If everything is ready, like the platform is ready, everything is ready, it takes approximately, you say, 20 to 25 days for the installation in Sun Mica.
Alright.
Lesser than we take lesser time, but we just give a cope up like if something happens in the factory and all.
Okay. Do you have a website where people can?
We have an
have a
Instagram
look at your
profile. We
collection?
don't have a website
And what's
right
your
now.
Insta page?
Instagram Himalaya Kitchens, you can
Himalaya
see.
Kitchen, not Himalaya
Kitchens.
Traders.
Not Himalaya Traders,
Himalaya
exactly.
Kitchen.
Yes. Himalaya Kitchens, that is just for kitchens. Himalaya Traders is for tiles and.
Okay.
Etc.
So just for kitchen.
For kitchens, you can go
sample
for
photos,
yes
it's
Himalaya
updated,
Kitchens.
right?
It's updated.
Okay.
Yes.
And what number should a person get in touch with you at?
So it's a number I can provide
you
you the
can
number.
provide it to us.
Sure.
I'll put it in the description or on the screen itself. People can get
Okay.
in touch with you.
That's absolutely.
Once again, Jazakallah. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.